Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm super excited. We're taking a look at an upper echelon, but still a great price, full-time fifth wheel. This is a 2021 Keystone Alpine model 3712KB. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every travel trailer, fifth wheel, and toy hauler that we review. And again, today I am super excited to be taking a look at this full body paint Keystone Alpine. It looks so beautiful and nice. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Howdy, Will.
Hey guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. I'm excited to take a look at this Alpine. I really like the Alpine products. They build a great unit, and I love it even more with the full body paint.
It looks fantabulous.
It does.
And we're gonna apologize for the wind. It's a little bit windy, but at least it's not hot.
That's right.
Let's begin. Model is 3712KB. The actual tip-to-tip length of this fifth wheel is 41 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 14,160 pounds. In low, the hitch weight,
2,810 pounds.
awesome. Always remember, it's not necessarily about how much you can tow, it's about the pin weight as well. Again, normally this will have a painted fiberglass front cap with the decals on the side. This has the option for the full body paint. I love the front windshield here. Nice LED lights with the patented Hitch Vision right there. Right here's your Roto Armor trailer pin box with a 3-year structural warranty on the RV. And then coming down the side, look at that. No, again, this is another Alpine that does not have the generator prep.
That's so weird. I don't know why they're doing that.
Right, I mean, maybe it is, but
yeah,
from my understanding, and somebody tell me if I'm wrong, from my understanding, when it has the cutouts, it's prepped for a generator. But also, look at this, Will.
that is cool.
I haven't seen this yet.
I haven't either. I don't know if they can see it. Yeah, they can see it.
they can see it. It's like, I don't know.
Just like a little coating
Like,
over top.
Yeah, very cool. Watch your head there. Coming on down the side here. Here's where your 6-point hydraulic leveling is. I love that. A battery would go right there. It is prepped for solar. And then here's a tiny, minuscule, a little bit of storage. But something that I do love is that it does have the slam latch doors. Okay. It is prepped for the Furrion cameras all around. And if you need a Furrion camera, use our Amazon affiliate link down below. There you go. And then right here, I absolutely love these. These are the Lippert component solid steps. Check it out. Very easy to install. And I love how it comes on your RV. And you can get these on any single one of your RVs. And if you want to see the video of us installing some of these, check out the video right there as well. You can get them installed on any fifth wheel. Right here, we do have the Polar package. Heated enclosed underbelly with heating pads on the tanks. Nice power awning with LED lights. And you do have the frameless windows. And then look at these tires, Will. They're the high-spec Oracles. I love those. They are the, where are they at? ST235-80R16. And you have the Lippert component suspension right there. And your spare tires underneath as well. And then check this out, Will. We got storage, and more storage. Very, very nice. And another power awning right here.
Oh yeah, 2 awnings.
Yep. Coming around the back. On the rear. Okay, a little bit more storage. Nice hitch right there. You cannot tow anything behind you, so it's rated for 300 pounds of vertical weight. I don't know why they did the twisty doors back here.
I don't know.
Finishing up on the driver's side, we do have a 50 amp power cord with an electric grill. We love that. This over here is more storage. And these more storage, fantastic. And then look at your dump holes inside, very nice. And then finishing up, you do have a instant hot tankless water heater. Oh, it was prepped for a Furrion backup camera on the back. Here's your water system, black and gray tanks, all your fills, potable water fill, potable. Black tank flush was in there as well. And then here's where you store your propane tanks. Well, the outside of the fifth wheel looks great, especially with a full body paint.
Yes, it does.
But the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Let's do that next.
Okay.
Check out the inside.
All right, starting up front. Nice front living. Kitchen and dining area in the middle.
Yes, sir.
And the bedroom here in the back. And the bathroom in the back.
Oh,
starting
yeah.
up front.
Starting up front, Will, with a front living room. Easy,
Sorry.
Tiger, easy, Tiger. Up front here in this front living room, Will, I love this. Look at this.
Yep.
Now, this is going to be a little bit different. I mean, it's crazy because Alpine makes 2 front living rooms.
Right.
And that's why when Will and I we were walking through this, we were like, didn't we do this one? And we didn't, because this isn't the 3700 FL. It's the 3712KB. I'm calling the KB for the king bathroom.
Yep.
Wait till we see that. Up front here, very nice living room. You have your Thomas Paine theater seats right here. Very comfortable electric seats right over there, looking directly across the entertainment center. The entertainment center's up here. You got nice solid wood cabinetry all the way around. You do have your DVD and radio player right here. A nice shade right there for your windshield. And then your TV.
I think it's on my side.
Is going to be over here with the push of a button. You raise me up so I can watch the TV. You raise me up. Boom. Jensen. Very nice. Fireplace as well. Great for heat. Then we show the storage underneath.
Yeah. No, not yet.
Okay. Very nice. And then over here we do have 2 other sofas, and they are both tri-fold sofas right there. That makes beds. And then for those of you who don't know, Will is 6'3", and the roof is a little small.
A little bit, but you're, mostly just sitting up here.
Yep.
So.
And
not bad.
It does have the Whisper Quiet air conditioning system.
Yep.
And then coming on down the steps, it's into the kitchen. And before we do, right there we have a centralized vacuum right there, which is a nice touch. And then right here is the dinette. I love how there's no carpet right here. It seats 4. It does look a little tight. Actually, it is a little tight. You have your table right here if you need an extension or storage. I like the Art Deco light fixture right there.
No.
Oh. The 3 windows. And we have your daytime blinds and your privacy blinds. Very nice. Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. You ready for this?
Yep.
This one's not bad, brother.
Cool.
MSRP on this fifth wheel here is $104,006. MSRP. Sale price, as you can see here, it is a current 2021, so we don't have a sale price yet. But Will, it doesn't matter what the sale price is, was, or will be. We love the Alpines and we love selling them, and we will get everybody in America the best price. Tell everyone how to do that.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962. That's my personal cell. Or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Send me an email. Or the best thing to do is to go to MattsRVReviews.com. You'll see 3 contact forms. You ready to buy this RV? Click tab number 1. We'll get you the best price in America, but it's only for 24 hours. If you have questions about this RV, you're not ready to buy it, perfect. Click that second tab. that sends an email to Will and myself, and we will reply to you within 24 hours. Or if you're just not even ready to buy it all, click that third tab and we get back to you ASAP. And Will, doesn't matter what tab they pick, there's one thing that every tab has in common.
They're gonna get the best price in America.
Will, let's continue the video.
All right, guys, this is a nice big kitchen here. So,
Huge.
We'll start over here. You forgot to talk about the in command, didn't you?
Oh, we'll talk about it later.
All right.
It's the in command, you know, very fancy. Look, passcode. We don't want nobody to put your slide outs in without you knowing it.
So you got like a nice little coffee bar or something right there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, you know, pantry-ish space there. The drawer underneath. And a couple more drawers here. Just open a couple.
Yep.
And some storage underneath there.
Yes, sir.
Behind me is a nice...
Uh-oh. Right there. That is a... What Will was trying to say, it's a nice GE refrigerator.
Nice GE refrigerator.
GE
right there. With the little water for... filtered water. I forgot to touch on that too. Nice wine rack.
Yeah, for all the wine.
Yep. And of course the freezer down below.
Nice.
You got some storage over here around the microwave. Nice, good sized convection microwave here.
Super nice.
Good, I like that backsplash.
Mm-hmm.
And a 3-burner Furrion cooktop there. Solid surface countertops.
Yes, sir.
In the whole kitchen. Storage right there. And the Furrion oven. As well. Behind me is a nice big like pantry space.
Right.
So
very
light
nice.
in here? There it is. So tons of storage in here.
Yes, sir.
And then you have a little more counter space in here, which actually this would probably make a better like coffee bar. You can put stuff away and whatever.
Yeah, or taco bar.
Or taco bar. And
Very
some
nice.
storage down below.
Yes, sir.
And then behind me here is the nice big kitchen island. Good faucet with the little spray thing. And then solid surface inserts into the nice big sink.
Put it down.
Oh,
That's heavy.
it is. Under the island is some drawers. And
Ooh, that's $204 trash
that's
cans.
right.
They were 83, but because of COVID, we had to raise the price.
Exactly.
Because of all the shortages. Very nice.
Tall test now, or we do?
Nope. Let's go into the bedroom first. Yes, sir. And I would like to mention there is more pantry space right here.
Oh yeah.
And here. Or coat space, whatever you want to use it for.
Yep.
Perfect. Into the bedroom. Wow. Okay, very big bed. We'll take a look at that in a second.
Okay.
Okay. We got storage here.
Somebody get this up.
Yes, sir. Storage there. And storage underneath there. We have your TV right here. A nice window. And then we got 6 drawers here. Very nice. Very nice. And then we have a king-size bed. And well, lay on that bed. It's now time for the tall test. Or the long test.
This is a nice big king bed.
Yep.
You know, everything.
Perfect for a king. My king. Now, if we'll lift the bed up.
Okay.
Very nice.
Tons of storage underneath.
And we'll stand up straight, please.
Okay.
Notice how much more headspace Will has back here.
It's not as
than
raised.
up there.
Right.
Very interesting.
Yep.
And then Will, go stand in that shower, brother.
All right. I've already tested the shower people saw before, and I love it.
Yeah, man. So
It
nice.
just doesn't get much better than this.
I mean, look at how big that is. And there's a seat in there. That is
it's long, it's wide, it's tall.
It's the perfect. It's a perfect cube right there.
It sure is.
And then over here, oh, you okay?
Yep.
Did you bump your head?
A little bit.
Right there's their medicine cabinets. Nice double sinks.
Solid surface.
Yes, sir. Right there is a little bit of storage underneath. This is kind of weird. We have like a little nook back there.
Yeah.
It's not weird. It's just I haven't seen that before.
Right.
This is probably, yep, where the washer and dryer goes. And more storage right up there. And then to wrap it all up, Will, look at this. Okay. Okay. Will, this is a prime poop position. Bing! Very nice.
Cool.
And as nice as it is, Will, and as great as it is, it's now time we give everybody 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what did we do first?
3 things we dislike?
No.
Like?
Yes. Do you know why?
Because we're in the bathroom?
Nope. Because last Alpine, we did the dislikes first and we forgot to give our likes.
Oh, yeah.
So this is going to kind of be in relation to that because there's going to be a lot of similarities that we like.
Right.
Okay, first thing I love about this fifth wheel is this whole bathroom. I love how big the door opening is. I love how big that shower is. And I just love everything about this bathroom. They knocked it out of the park.
They sure did.
That is one.
Mine's on the outside.
Well, but you're supposed to do number 2.
We can go outside and do number 2.
No.
Okay.
Let's stay inside.
Where are
Okay,
we
so
going,
I will
down?
do number 2. Yes, go on down.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? Yes. I like this area. I like it. Here's what I'm saying. I like how it's not the half bath.
I agree.
So many times in the other front living, it's a half bath. I rather have it be this pantry space for number 2.
Yep.
So that's number 2, and then, well, number 3? Why'd you turn the lights off?
Sorry. I thought it was off. I was trying to turn them on.
It's just a dark day out.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say that I love the full body paint on this, and
Okay.
any Alpine that we show, you can. Typically, we don't order with the full body paint.
Well, we've been starting to do that, actually.
Yeah. But any Alpine floor plan that you see, we can order it with full body paint. I love it, especially if you're gonna keep it for a while. If you're gonna full time, it's a nice touch. It doesn't fade like the stickers do.
And it looks pretty badass.
It looks really, really good. So
I'm gonna combo that with a 3rd. I love that rear storage in the back.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
So that's 3 things we love about it. Now it's time for 3 things we dislike about this fifth wheel.
Okay.
Since I just said I like that storage in the back, I do not like this storage right here.
Right.
It's pathetic. I don't know why. I don't have an answer or a reason. I don't like that. Also, I'm going to combo that with the fact that it has the twisty locks on that back door. Like, why are you doing that?
Right.
Like, you're using slam latch doors. Why are you doing the twisties?
Right.
That was kind of annoying. So that is number 1. No, I have number 2 and 3.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Number 2. I love this. There doesn't need to be doors. This
Sure.
is the door. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This is the door. So you don't need doors in that. That just made it tighter, you know? Like, and you're gonna just pinch your hands and, you know what I'm saying? Pinch your fingers.
Right.
There's no need to have the doors on the doors. Does
Right.
that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 2. And then Will?
But you said you had 2 and 3.
I do. That was number 2.
Okay.
And 3, Will.
Oh, you want me to walk up?
Yes. Will and I, we were around each other too much. He's a mind reader. Just my opinion, and I wouldn't have said this.
Right.
Except you have plenty of headspace in the bedroom,
Right.
and you don't have it up here
I
as
don't,
much.
nope.
And I don't know why. I mean,
Right, because I feel like some of the other
others have more headroom.
have a little bit more.
So it doesn't make sense to me. I don't get it. I don't
Yeah.
understand it. Hey, we don't make them, Will.
We just review them.
We just sell them. Yep.
Yep.
Well, that's it, Will. That's the review. Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this fifth wheel, please call, text, send us an email. Go to MattsRVReviews.com. That is going to be the best way to get in contact with us, and click one of the 3 Contact Me tabs. If you're in the market for a luxury fifth wheel like this, we're going to put a Grand Design Solitude right there and an Alliance Paradigm right there, because our opinion, you get an Alpine, a Solitude, or a Paradigm, you're getting a great product.
That's right.
So make sure you check out all 3 of them. We don't care which one you buy because they're all great. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Sure. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you like this Alpine. It's a nice big. I know a lot of people are getting into full timing.
Yep.
This is a perfect unit for that.
Yep.
Make sure to leave in the comments down below 3 things you like and dislike. Keystone is definitely watching and listening to your feedback. Make sure to also smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.